Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Scientist and welcome to our O-Level Chemistry tutorial series. Today we are going to start the isotopes. So let's dive in and see what makes isotopes so fascinating. The first thing is the definition. What are isotopes? So isotopes are the atoms of the same element with the same number of what? Of protons, but different number of neutrons. This also means that isotopes are atoms of the same element with the same atomic number. But different mass number. And this also means that the number of protons, is equal to the atomic number. So for you to understand the isotopes better, we need to recall the nuclear notation. So let us use carbon as an example. So carbon 12 and then 6. So 12 is the mass number, the nuclear number. So the mass number is the same as what? The nuclear number. And then it's C. That's the element. It's the symbol for the element. Then 6. That's our protons. The proton number. And please take note, the number of electron is equal to the number of what? Of proton. Right. So now, for you to understand isotopes better, let us use carbon isotope as an example. Carbon isotopes. So carbon has 3 isotopes. Carbon 12, carbon 18, and carbon 14. So this can be presented as carbon 12, 6, carbon 13, 6, carbon 14, then 6. Now, let us put this in a table. Okay, so this is a table showing 3 types of what? 3 types of isotopes of carbon. Okay, so this is carbon, carbon 12, carbon 13, and carbon 14. What's the mass number here? The mass number is 12. The mass number here is 13. The mass number here is 14. What is the proton number? The proton the proton number. 6, 6, and 6. The proton number is the same. And what's the number of electrons? Of electrons. It's 6, 6, 6. Interesting, because we said the proton number is equal to the number of what? Of protons. Now, the number of neutrons. How do we calculate the number of neutrons? So, the neutron number is equal to what? Mass number minus the proton number. In this case, we are going to say 12 minus 6. That's what? 6. In this case, we are going to say 13 minus 6. Right? 13 minus 6. And this gives us what? That's 7. And in this case, we are going to say 14 minus 6. This is what? 8. Recall the definition. We said isotopes are atoms of the same element with the same number of protons, but different number of neutrons. So as you can see, carbon 12, 13, and 14 is the same number of protons, same number of electrons, but different number of neutrons. That's very interesting. So now, in chemistry, you'll be asking, what are the difference between the isotopes or among the isotopes, if there are 3 or more? So, please take note. Isotopes are similar in, remember we said, the proton number. The number of protons are the same. And remember we said the proton number is also equal to the number of electrons. So, number of electrons are same. Number of electrons. Electrons. And what else? The electronic configuration. Configuration. Why is it so? Because the number of electrons are same. And for the chemical properties. So isotopes have the same chemical properties. And the same question will be why? Because the proton number or the atomic number or the electrons, these are the ones that affect the chemical properties or the chemical reactions of an atom. So if the number of electrons are same, if the electronic configuration is the same, it also means that the chemical properties are same. Very interesting. Now, these are the similarities of what? Of isotopes. Now, isotopes are similar, are different. That's the first thing. Remember we said we have carbon, let's use carbon 12, carbon 13, and carbon 14. And we can actually say that isotopes are different in the what? The mass number. What else? The number of neutrons. If you still remember that table, we said the number of neutrons here is 6, here 7, and 8. Because how do we calculate the number of neutrons? We say the mass number minus the proton number. And we can actually say that the number of protons are different. And what else? The physical properties. And the simple question would be, why? This is because the mass number is the one that affects the physical properties of isotope or of an atom. So if these isotopes have different number or different mass number, this then means now the physical properties will be different as well. Very interesting. So this marks the end of our lesson today. Thank you so much for listening. See you next time.